Ferrari SP48 Unica debuts as one-off F8 Tributo with rear window. Tributo? Where's my Italian when I need it? How can I call myself Italian? I can't even say these words. That looks sick. That looks lovely. But why doesn't it have a rear window? It's kind of bizarre. Is it like a convertible, sort of? Following V12-powered one-offs such as the Omologata and BR20, the latest unique creation from Ferrari has a V8 heart. SP48 Unica is based on the F8 Tributo, but you wouldn't necessarily tell right away as the body's been largely redesigned. The one-of-a-kind creation was commissioned by a long-standing client, not Justin Bieber, who was involved in the development. The prancing horse goes as far to say the buyer had their say in every step of the process. You see the type of relationship you can have? They'll make you just a one-off car if they like you a lot. If you don't, like, wrap it in chrome or do stuff. I mean, I wonder how much money this guy has spent with Ferrari over the years. Yeah. How much, Mo? How much before they make this for him?
I don't know.
One-off.
I think you got to buy, like, double digits car, maybe.
Oh, for sure, double.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, no rear window at all. They don't mean like an opening, just no rear, nothing.
Just nothing.
That looks amazing.
Like, I figured this would be the camera or something, right?
Oh, yeah, you're going to have a visual, but it is so crazy to see a car without it. You don't realize.
Well, vans don't have it.
I mean, like a sports car like this.
Yeah.
Talking about like a...
I like the little... this top-down shot's cool. How the little pattern reverses. You know what I'm talking about? Looks cool.
It's like an arrow.
Yeah.
This is also a slightly different red. It's not your typical Ferrari red. This is like a metallic thing going on.
This is more
concept.
Original concept render type things, but I think it looks futuristic without a rear window. It looks kind of like, what's that game where you're hitting the soccer ball as a car? Rocket League. It's like a Rocket League car. It's pretty cool. Somebody in the chat said Mo just had to sneak van in there. He had to find a way to bring up van. Well, vans can do everything. I'm like, he doesn't have a rear window. He's like, vans are better.
Yeah.
I'm like, really?
Just wait until Tesla gets into vans.
I was like, are we talking about vans right now, Mo? Or they don't say any word about the mechanical changes, but should be good for 710 horsepower. And 0 to 60 in 2.9. 0 to 124 miles per hour in 7.8, maxing out at 211 miles per hour, which is 340 kilometers an hour. No one knows how much was paid for this, but it's at least got to be more than $300,000. And then as a one-off, who knows? Maybe it's $1 million. I don't know. Yeah. That would be a fun process. Work with the Ferrari team on your design. Get out of here. Holy cow.